Cheers. On a budget from now on. I lost my voice. I woke up at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. People in Italy really know how to party. San Lorenzo. So this is where I'm at. Yo, this is where I was yesterday. Where you're just like hanging out at a piazza. There's just like a guy in the back just chilling, like waiting for you to put an order in to grab a beer. Dude, it was nuts. Like, you were just able to buy beer until like fucking like 5 o'clock in the morning, taking shots until like 5 o'clock in the morning. Everyone's used to seeing, the Colosseum and fucking the fountain. Dude, I mean, the fountain was super cool, and I'm not gonna bash anything. I mean, I didn't think it was as incredible. It was like fucking like 100 people there fucking fighting to get a picture. Fucking enjoy your time, dude. You know what I mean? Damn, that shit's crazy. They got the faucets over here. This is fucking huge. Oh, I was so sick of fucking wasting money on bottled water. And I can just refill one. I like literally like rap battled like 4 kids last night in English, and they were spitting in Italian, which is pretty fucking dope, honestly. I could tell they were going fucking hard. And assured Italian ASAP, because I can't understand anybody I meet, and very few people speak English. I mean, there's definitely a couple of people that speak English, but I could just tell that I would showing up to these places. I'm like in the Rome Ghetto right now. I mean, showed up to said it was a favela, which is kind of nuts. I didn't even know there was a favela in Rome. But yeah, once again, that's what happens when you walk. I would have never stumbled upon that little piazza if I didn't walk. And definitely anti-fascism and really into current events with the world out here. And I know there's a lot of protests going on about, the world and what's happening. Bro, I don't even know where to get a coffee right now. These fucking places closed for like 3 hours. Places are only open here for like 5 hours, if that. This park or whatever this is right now. Wow. Oh shit. Ciao. How does this work? Is it free? Oh yeah. This is beautiful. Okay, I was expecting this place to look a little different, just from like the outside. Oh, what's that? Definitely didn't help me. I can't really tell what this is. I think it's a church. I wonder if they have Wi-Fi. Maybe it's like a library? I don't know. I think it's a library. It's kind of like a botanical garden. Very peaceful, baby. Not for real, it's very peaceful. It's a great place to meditate. Alright, I'm about to get out of here. Go off this street real quick. I don't even know what this is. What the hell is this shit? Damn. A tomb, huh? So this was a tomb discovered in 1935. Dude, like, you're just walking on the street, and then you discover a fucking tomb. I knew it. Gentrification. Dude, this is giving me goosebumps. This is literally this is like just discussing everything that's going on here in one painting. Wow. Dude, this is so crazy. This is actually insane. Mamma mia. I would totally spend more time in Rome. It's a nice place. Ciao. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi?
Yeah. Oh, is this a restaurant? Oh, it's you have coffee and everything? As I leave Rome, I say my last goodbyes. my last coffee because I'm going to Azerbaijan. I feel like this is a very unknown, uncharted territory, and I'm ready for it. So, yeah, I've been on high alert. There's this one dude that was kind of sketchy. He walked into the coffee shop when I walked in, and then was like walking in and out, went and sat down, like, I don't know, it just seemed weird. I'm on high alert here for scammers since I've been here. But I also went out only one night because I got damaged, but it seems like all that's over on the last leg. About to take a sleep on the plane, and then I'll be in Azerbaijan.